So the last fun bit of fresh air into this airtight house is we've got a Paxfocus fireplace here. You can see over my head the chimney that goes up and out through the roof. Here's our mounting plate, but this is our fresh air intake here. So again, when the fireplace is activated, there's a wall switch. It's manual in this case because we've got a wood-burning fireplace. So the homeowner will turn on a wall-mounted switch. There is a damper, low-voltage damper in there. So that opens and it allows combustion air for the fireplace to balance out the room pressure so we don't depressurize this space until the fireplace functions as designed.